I'm Robert over at Beaverton Motorcycles. I'm one of the service advisors. As a fellow rider, I know that we have a very limited amount of time in this Oregon weather to get out and ride, and crashing can really throw a wrench into that situation. That's why we're here to help you out.
As Master Tech, I'm here to make sure that your ride is back to new.
We know that dealing with insurance can be a hassle. That's why we work with your insurance directly. We're also running a special right now where we do free pickups on all crash repairs within 50 miles. We'll also cover a $500 deductible or up to 10% of your overall repair.
And as factory certified technicians, it's our job to make sure that your ride gets back to you as new as the day you bought it. So that way when you're out on the road, you have that peace of mind. I indicate these damages not only just to myself, to my parts departments, that my advisor sees every compromised component on this bike. Insurance can lay eyes and see pretty quickly, even all the nuanced little scratches and damages. Because we want these things to be new, you know, we want these things to be back on the road and forget the troubles they've been through. Part of the process of a wreck repair or a repair quote is indicating all the damaged components with these small little green stickers so that I can see what parts are broken, the adjuster can see what parts are broken, our advisors, the parts department, everybody's on the same page on all the little nuanced and all the little tiny scratches that most others might miss. Because we want these machines to come back to you in new condition and forget that patch of leaves that you thought you could scoot through. Because I ride motorcycles and I know what it's like to sit and wonder every day looking down at it, hey, you know, what if there's a gremlin or what if something was missed? And we don't want that to come back to you.